While at CES, we connected with the good people at Targus. Now, I'll be honest with you, when I first got my laptop, the very first laptop I ever had in my entire life, the first bag that I trusted my most precious belonging to was Targus. They are a high quality product that I have just constantly looked to when it comes to devices through the longevity of all of my electronic items. Now, when we checked out CES, I didn't know what to expect, but what we saw really surprised me. On top of an amazing docking system for computer work systems, you've got the Thunderbolt 3 8K display. We saw this bad boy putting out 4 displays connected just to a simple laptop. 4 displays, all that work power being done on the device. On top of that, it's got so many plugs and options for that you would ever need in your workspace. And when it comes to security, sometimes it's a really big important part of making sure that you're not, putting anyone in danger, that someone's not on the network they shouldn't be. On this device, you have this fingerprint scanner right on it, and that's going to make sure only the right people are going to be using it and having access to your network. So that was really impressive to me, but it just keeps getting better and better. The next thing we saw was all of their new work reinvented defense guard equipment. We're talking about mice and keyboards all baked in with a special coating that's going to keep it antimicrobial. What that means is that you're not going to have bacteria forming on those devices. So when it's passed off from one person to the other, you're not worrying about that. I will warn, a lot of people get confused about what that means. It doesn't mean that it's COVID proof. What that means is it's bacteria proof. There's still things that are smaller, viruses that are still going to get on there, and it's still going to be a danger. So that's where we go to the next item. That is their UVC disinfecting light. This is the first light that's been actually UL approved because it's designed for a work environment. We're talking about enterprises, like businesses. This item will sit on your desk and it will keep your space clean. It has a sensor that makes sure that no one's within the range of the item to basically be affected. Now, UVC lights are not incredibly dangerous. They're not going to harm you, but still, for the safety of anyone using it, if you enter in the space, it shuts it off. It's not going to be a problem for you. But if there's no one in that space that's going to prevent it from working, every hour for 5 minutes, it's going to activate and it's going to sanitize your workspace so that when you leave or when you come back or come to work for the morning, your space is safe and sanitized for your needs. That is really awesome and exactly what we kind of need in this day. Is if we start going back to the office, we want to make sure that we're safe where we're working. But what if you're not in the office? What if you're going out and about and you need a good bag? Well, this summer, a new awesome item from them is coming out. It's the Cypress Hero Find Me bag. This bag is, again, just like their Cypress line. It's made with plastic bottles, basically recycled to form these cool things. It's got a lot of cool features. I mean, the bag itself isn't the thing that's really unique. The thing that's really unique about this bag that makes it so awesome and so cool is it has a Find Me feature. Never lose your backpack again. This feature is the first backpack to actually be on the Apple Find Me network. So it's really going to give you that access and that big system to kind of make sure you're going to not be without your backpack. If it disappears, you'll find it very quick. You do have to use their Targus app to be able to find it, but that's a small price to pay to feel comfortable and calm about your belongings. Make sure you didn't leave it somewhere and that you're safe. All this great technology, it's what I expect from Targus. But what are you guys thinking? Are you guys going to pick up the Find Me backpack when it comes out this summer? I'm very interested. Well, we'll see you guys next time. Check out more of our CES coverage. We got more coming down for you. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.